create. I have my cast iron. You can use any type of pan. Preheating, medium high. Some extra virgin olive oil. You don't go crazy. Let it preheat a little bit. And then you're going to add your steak, which is the lamb steak. Let's cook one side for about 3 minutes. For this thickness that I have here, about 3 minutes later, going to flip it. See how beautiful it's looking. Now I'm going to add some butter. Unsalted butter. I'm going to add some rosemary. On top. And I'm going to let this do its magic. So what I'm going to do, going to let it do its magic because I'm going to use this butter to get those juices flowing. In this case, it's going to be for about 3 minutes, by the way. Look at this, baby. About 4 minutes later, I'm going to get this baby out. I'm going to put it to rest, okay?